Toastmaster members and welcome guests. Before I started my speech, I would like to ask you, how do I look tonight? Thank you so much. And tonight, as one of the tool of the communication, I would like to talk about fashion. What is fashion? Do you know the definition of fashion?
Michael?
Michael, okay. As a human being, people have been wearing clothes and accessory, and also it indicates social status, and yeah, we can easily figure out how the people poor or rich, I mean, just depending on what she or he wear. So what we wear and when we wear, how we wear, it becomes you. So that's the reason why the fashion and the clothing is really important. But we need to think about the behind of the fashion. That's the theme bring tonight. Theme I bring tonight. How many of you know where your texture and clothing come from? Not many. You might know about the luxury brand and brand thing, but we don't know exactly know about the texture, origin, and something like that. But actually, your clothing come from everywhere, Bangladesh and Argentina, just everywhere. But we need to think about the fact, the person who made your clothes. And I've got information about some industry. The garment market workers in developing country, they are underpaid and overtime workers, and 90% of the workers, they are women and children. That's the key, and that's the reason why we need to think about looking fair. Because of the mass media, we are impacted by the mass media, and the fashion industry changes very, very quickly. So, have you ever heard about the fast fashion, like fast food and fast junk food? Kind of fast fashion means you bought cheap fashion, cheap clothing every season, and you just throw away, and that actually initiates our unsustainable fashion. So yeah, so that's the one of the issue of the sustainable looking. And also the second, how many of you know about what made of your clothing and the texture? And this day we can easily heard about the news about the skin trouble and atopy kind of problem. It occurred by the texture actually, because of most of our clothes made of the synthetic, made of the polymer. So it occurred out the kind of skin trouble and everything. So probably most of you to try to buy the cotton, and so in the result, in United States 2007, the cotton industry grows 35 to 55th, so it grows a lot. But we need to be aware of that. Only 1% of the organic cotton market in the world is the true. So the other one is not real organic one. So that's one of the issue of the fashion industry. So to prevent this kind of disaster, and also to promote the sustainable looking, and which means the environmental friendly, I would like to let you know 2 tips. And first of all, just to think, and one more. I mean, when you buy the clothes, just try to think one more time: is it durable, or can I wear this clothes longer? Because If you just wear one time once and throw away, it become a waste and it become a burden to the people who are in the developing country to make of the product. And second, try to find a mark, corporate code of conduct. Corporate code of conduct is kind of union to make a fair fashion materials. It identified the office workers in the area. They were paid to make their life sustainable. So try to find the corporate code of conduct, and it helped the people who are in the industry. So I hope my short speech help you to shop for the clothing for autumn and winter, because we need to change this time. It's time to change up. So that's all about my speech. Thank you.